Thanksgiving, everybody. I wanted to come in today and just share with you what I'm doing today and what I'm making for dinner. I thought you'd like to watch it with and watch me make it. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day with family and friends. I have a nice menu today. Most of it I pre-made before Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving Day. And but I did cook the turkey today, and I have a new twist to make the turkey, which I think you'll enjoy. And so I also have to do my mashed potatoes today, and then I thought I'd make some cream puffs. I'm still thinking about that one, but I'm thinking I probably will. I just want some cream puffs. I haven't had them in years, and I just really want to give them a shot. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy my video, and we'll just get right down to it. Thanks for coming, and thanks for stopping by Life with Linda. Okay, so here's the lineup of all the pre-cooked stuff. So I have my pumpkin, well, let's start from this end. I got my green bean casserole. I got my turkey. It's about a 14 and a half pound turkey. This is my cornbread casserole. This is my gravy from last year, believe it or not, but I'm just going to add to it this year. Got my cranberry sauce, which has walnuts in it. Super good. I have my stuffing and my pumpkin pie with whipped cream for dessert. So this is what I'm planning on having today. Plus, I've got to peel some potatoes and I got to mash my potatoes. So anyway, I'm going to take you guys along on doing the turkey and the taters. And then I'll plate everything up and give you all a gander at it. Look at my dinner today, my Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, we'll see you shortly. So here's our turkey. And what I'm going to do is put some garlic powder in some butter. And I'm going to baste the turkey inside all the crevices and under the skin over here. I loosened it up a little bit. And do that, and then I'm going to salt the bird, and I'm going to add these neck and giblets and livers into the bottom of the pan. But this is a new way that I've learned. I'm trying to do the turkey. It's in parchment paper, and I learned it from Renee on Little Village Homestead, so I'm going to give it a try. She did it a whole different way, but she stapled the paper and all this stuff, but I'm just going to try laying it over it for simplicity purposes. And she says it comes out really moist. Well, I don't doubt that, because it takes me back to a day when we used to cook turkeys in the ground. We would dig a hole in the ground, load it up with charcoal and wood, let that come to some really good embers, and then we'd take the turkey and we would wrap it really good in aluminum foil, like really good. Then we would literally make mud and cake mud all over it, like completely coated in mud, like maybe an inch thick. And I don't know what that would be like, simulating like ceramic coating. I don't know. But anyway, boy, let me tell you. Well, first of all, that thing cooked like lickety split. Secondly, it was as moist as you'll ever have a turkey. It was just so unbelievable. It was fun to unpack that thing and dig it out of the ground. It was really fun. So this is kind of what's bringing me back to that. That was a lot of years ago. But anyway, that's the turkey for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this turkey, this is it all wrapped in its parchment paper, is I'm going to cook it at 325 for approximately 3.5 hours. But I think I'm going to set my timer for 3 hours, And then I'm going to test it with the meat thermometer. It has to be 165 degrees at the bone joint of the of the leg, like where the dark meat is. So, I mean, if I have to go another half hour, I will, but that's what I'm going to set my timer for. So, preheated my oven till 325, and this is going to go in the oven. So, there we are at 325. Well, it's not there yet. It's getting there. And it'll stay there for 3-ish hours. So, it'll probably come out about, It's almost 8 o'clock now, so say 11-ish. That's perfect, because that'll give me time to make the potatoes and the gravy. So we'll be back. Okay, guys, so 3 hours. This is beautiful. It came out really nice. 3 hours. I love it. Perfect. 14.5-pound turkey, 325. And then I put my sides in and get them warmed up. And now I'm going to make the mashed potatoes. Okay, so the potatoes are peeled and in the pot. I'm going to turn them on, let them cook. And then once that's done, I got to make my gravy. So I'll be back. So I took the juice out of the turkey pan, and I put it in a bowl, and now I'm bringing it to a boil, and I'm going to add to it a cup of water mixed with flour to thicken it up to make the gravy. So that's the next step. I've already made the mashed potatoes. They're already done and ready to go. All I add to those is just, I added some heavy cream, and I added butter, a lot of butter into those. That's it with those. So anyway, we're just going to wait for this to happen. And then after that, I'm going to plate it up. I took the turkey out. I'm going to slice it up a little bit, and then eventually all of it. I have the cooked other parts there, the neck and the gizzards and livers or whatever they are. I'm going to give that to the dogs with their dinner tonight. That'll be their little turkey dinner. So it should be delicious. I'll be back. Okay, so here's the finished product. We have our corn casserole, mashed potatoes, white meat, my leg. I love my turkey leg meat, and green bean casserole and stuffing. And I'm just going to take some gravy and put it over the mashed potatoes and the turkey. That gravy really came out good. Did I say I added a bouillon cube to it? I did, if I didn't say it. But it really came out good. So that's the whole turkey dinner today. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm hoping you're having a wonderful day. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you please would, I would very much appreciate it. And I'm not done yet, so I'll be back one more time. Well, that's about as far into it as I could get. About halfway. That was very filling, because I really did want to save some room for my pumpkin pie dessert, which I'm going to have right now. Okay, so here's all the freezer meals that I got out of that one turkey. Well worth it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete dinners. So 1, 2, 3 turkey gravies and a corn casserole, and then bulk turkey meat over here. And then of course I got the meat for the dogs, which one of them's already got a carcass, one of them's licking the pan, and another one's got a bone with meat on it. So he's chewing it up. That's Charlie. He doesn't eat the bone really. So So anyway, yeah, I think that was quite the economic deal right there. And this will keep me going for quite a while whenever I get the craving, you know. So yeah. Well, that's it for now, guys. I think that'll do it. It was delicious. I loved it all. I got it all cleaned up and put up and closed down the kitchen. I'm out here in my little shop right now, coming to have a cup of coffee and enjoy my silence. with my babies. So we'll be out here probably till for a while because I love it out here. It's my favorite place. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a little bit of footage of my lights in my yard that I put out this year. It's kind of hard to see because it was too dark and I don't have a good camera. But yeah, you'll see a little bit of it anyway as an ending. Okay, well, have a nice Thanksgiving. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Orange like pumpkins in a row, leaves that flutter high and low, crisp like the breeze that tickles my nose. Thanksgiving colors, bright and bold, orange and red with a splash of gold, a rainbow feast for hearts to hold. Red like apples in the pie, cranberries winking as they lie, shining like stars in the autumn sky. Thanksgiving comes.